Wait, give me a kiss. Give me. Here's your lunch. Chicken. So good.
What is fake and the risk we have to take? Will we know?
And she likes to drive no matter what seat she's sitting in. Good morning, Philippines!
Don't you cry?
Do you want a chow-chow? Roxy, come here. Roxy. Roxy. Come here. Come here. You want to do chow-chow? Come in here. Come in here. In chow-chow. In. Roxy. Oh, come here. Chow-chow now, come here. Roxy, come. Go in. Go inside here. Come here. Roxy, come here now. Come here. Do show now. You wanna do show? Huh? Come here. Let's Roxy, come up here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Right here, show. Get up here. Roxy, come. Come right here. Right here. Roxy, come. Roxy, come. Roxy, come here. You show here. You go inside here. Come here. You go inside. Come here. Right here. Come. Come here. Come here. Come right here. Come here, Mama. Come here to Mama. Okay, let's go in show here. Boy. Roxy. Why you come here? You do show. Let's go inside. Let's go in show. Come here. Come right here. Come here, inside. Come here, baby. Come here. Let's go in show right here. Come here. Come. Show. Come here now. Why you acting like that? Why? Get up. Up. We're gonna do show here. Come here. Wait. Come here. Give Mama a kiss. Give Mama a kiss. Kisses. Give me a kiss. Wait, give me a kiss. Give me a kiss pa. Doon, lagot-lagot eh. Kisses. Give Mama a kiss. Kisses. Naglagot. Give Mama a kiss. Come up here. Give Mama a kiss. Roxy, up. Okay, give Mama a kiss. Okay, kisses. Kisses. Give me a kiss. Come here, right here. Give me a kiss. Give me a kiss. Give me a kiss. Come here. Good morning guys. Katatapos ko lang naligo. Nag-blow dry lang ako ng buhok. I'm going to the other house. Puntahan natin si Tami. We're gonna see Dada soon, okay? Come here. Andun siya. Muntik na akong umalis without my laptop bag. So, ito yung mga dinala-dala ko in the laptop bag. So, I have to bring my laptop that I can edit video while I'm there. Ba't umiyak ka na? Hindi pa nga tayo nakaalis. Umiyak ka na. Bye, Dimps! Dimplewort! Bye-bye! Excited si Roxy, ah? Excited man ang baby. In. Let's go inside. Let's go si Dada. Let's go inside. In. Go na si Dada. Go in. You wanna si Dada? Go si Dada. Go, let's go. Go in. Up. Good girl. Good girl. Oh, we're going to see Dada. Yeah. Later na lang guys pagdating namin doon, okay? Kasi, yeah, I just wanna concentrate driving. No, you're happy in our house, right? What? You just... No. See Dada. See hi to Dada.
Oh, like a girl. Thank you for the kisses. Thank you.
Misty food. Misty also. Look. Good Dada. See Dada. See Dada.
Come here, little monkey monkey. Thank you for the kisses too.
We are here, guys. Ang ginaw, guys. Sobra. Ibigay ko lang kay Tami yung lighter. Kasi gusto niyang makita yung lighter niya. Han, I just let them in! God, itong asong to. Han, you know, they try to climb over there. Look at him. Here's your lighter. What are you guys doing, baby? What are you guys doing? Misty, ikaw ba yun? Ikaw ba yung nagwala na babae sa Pilipinas, bebe? Ikaw ba yung naging aso? Si Misty ka naging aso! Naging aso si Misty ka! Gugit, Dada. Okay, guys, alis lang kami, guys. Punta kami sa Philippines. PFIs. We will be right back, okay? You stay there. This dog will be really unhappy, guys. Because we are leaving them.
We're coming back.
We're coming back. Behave, ha? Be a good girl, ha? You have to put the chair back. Put it back.
I did put it back. I can't even get in the car with it where you keep it.
Okay. I tried to squirt the thing and then squirt the thing. It's frozen. It won't even squirt. It's just like the windshield just moved.
It's not cold enough to be frozen.
There's no water. Try it though. Try it though. Because you should be slowing down because of the thing over there.
No, but I was already out of the driveway.
You know it's slow over there.
It's like what, the road has to be perfectly straight for it?
Yeah.
That's retarded.
The car makes noise. Because when you're backing up and then when the thing is bumpy and it's down, the car is like yelling at you. Which is good. It tells you if there's something like that, and then it's like
Yeah,
stop
but
for
it
you.
should be able to tell the difference between something and nothing.
Something and nothing. There's a new thing, guys. Something and nothing.
Am I driving all the way up there for no
Oh, stewards, we went there, and the thing is they have very expensive thing. We still have that steak the last time we went over there. We still have that. La 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 la. Shop right again. Hopefully we can find ano, yung jackfruit, guys. Jackfruit. Bingo. Jackfruit is getting expensive, guys. Tignan nyo to, guys. $2. Ang liit-liit na lang. Ang liit-liit man ito, eh. Ang liit. Papaya din. Meron silang ano dito. Ano to? Grapefruit na green. Gulay. And then grapefruits. What is that over there? No meat chicken.
Yeah, meatless chicken.
Meatless chicken. It's chicken, but there's no meat, guys. That's ridiculous.
What?
And they have
Sausage
this
patties with no meat.
organic silken tofu. It's a tofu, guys, or organic. Tofu with the strawberry. Like the heck?
This is turkey. This is meatless.
This is the one with no bones. That's good with the bone. Remember that?
Yeah, I know.
Don't get it because you said it now. Popeye's time, guys. We're gonna get Popeye. We park over there. Ganda na. I love birdies. There's a lot of birdies. Hi, guys. Meron na kaming chicken.
They're really looking for food.
I know.
There's people like you who don't want to feed them.
Seriously? Always talking about your birds in our house, huh?
Because you don't feed them. You can't bother.
Anyway,
Poor
guys.
little birds.
Poor little birds. We have Popeyes right here, guys. I'll see you later, hon. I will see you later. I'm looking for my car keys. Yeah, I'm gonna pick my mouth. Hala, tignan nyo yung lips ko, guys. I don't have a lipstick, guys. I'll put a lipstick on, guys, kasi wala na talaga akong lipstick. Okay, guys, kunin ko yung biyanan ko, and then si Tammy, papunta na rin siya sa doctor appointment niya. Hi! Drive careful. Good luck, B-boy. Good luck, okay? Good luck, Rex. I love you, words. See you later. Okay, ako din. Dito din ako sa isa sa here. Hala ka, diha. Hala ka. Hala, hala, hala. Ay, nako. I don't like the way this... Ilagay ko kayo dito, guys. I will see you. Bye! Oh, yes. Go out, rocks. There's your lunch. Oh, chicken.
Oh, thank you.
Malapit akong nagdalawang oras naghintay. Iwan ko kung bakit natagalan siya. Grabe yung alas 3:17. Alas 3:17. Late nakalabas. Parang ang daming tao doon ngayon. Alam niyo, meron akong sasabihin sa inyo. Doon ako kanina sa dialysis. Alam niyo ba? May lalaki doon. Kasi yung mga pasyente doon is mag-usap-usap sila. Yung andun kasi maliit lang kasi yung lugar. So, andun sila. Ang nakaano doon is may lalaki. Bago parang hindi ko siya nakilala. Matagal na rin akong hindi nakapunta sa lugar na yun. Kasi marinig lahat kasi yung mga pinag-usapan. Lalo na hindi sila as in maliit lang yung lugar. Sabi niya, oh, pupunta man siya sa Pilipinas. Yung kaibigan doon nila. Pupunta daw sa Pilipinas. Hindi niya, sabi niya, hindi ko alam kung bakit pumunta siya doon. Kasi yung weather daw sa Pilipinas is masama daw palagi. Kasi island daw yung Pilipinas. Mga island naman talaga yung Pilipinas, pero hindi man lang isang island. Ano siya? Maraming island. Parang hindi nila talaga alam kung ano yung nasa Pilipinas. Pero yeah, so sabi pa niya masama daw yung panahon palagi, at saka marami daw mga kaganapang hindi magaganda. hindi ako tumalikod ako, baka mahalata nila na Filipino yun, na may Filipino doon. Tumalikod ako, doon ako sa bintana nakatingin, tinitignan ko lang yung sasakyan ko, bag may bumubunggo kasi busy kasi sila doon kasi ang daming tao, guys. So, kaya late na yung ina ng asawa ko, yung biyanan ko nakalabas kasi sobrang daming tao. Talagang meron naman talagang hindi magaganda, pero may lugar maganda naman talaga sa Pilipinas, tirhan. Pero kapag yung naririnig mo mga pangit talaga, no, yung nasa ano mo is pangit talaga, lalo't na hindi ka pa nakapunta sa lugar na yun, parang sa isip mo masamang lugar na yun puntahan kasi hindi safe. Natawa na lang ako. Dito na si Tammy. Magluluto na lang ako ng gulay, guys, para sa dinner, pero hindi pa kami gutom kasi late kami kumain. Han, let the dog in!
What?
Dada's
I have special for
here!
you because your mama gave you the bones. So now I have nothing special for you.
No, that's it, Roxy. You asked too much, uy. Katawa naman tong mga aso, guys, kasi I was talking to Dimples and Hubs. Itong dalawang aso, tumatahol din, tinatawag din niya yung mga kapatid niya. Namimiss ata din nila yung kapatid nilang posa dun sa bahay. Punta daw kami sa Costco, guys. Oh, I know what it is.
Grapefruit.
Sunkist, guys.
Sunkist.
Guys, Sunkist, guys.
Sunkist is a brand.
Huh?
Sunkist is a brand.
Sunkist, we have Sunkist. No, in the Philippines we have Sunkist and it's green.
Sunkist makes oranges, they make grapefruits. It's a brand.
This is grapefruit. It's a name of the fruit.
No, it's not the name of the fruit. It's the name of the company.
Well, that's hard. There is a name of the fruit in the Philippines. Han, I'm from
Called the Sunkist?
Sunkist. Yeah, there is seeds, Han.
Yes, I mean, you can't see them.
It's big seeds.
Yes, it's grapefruit.
It's like tomato thing.
Grapefruit.
Mmm. So good. Roxy, you eat chicken and everything. Your grandmother give you and everything. That's it. Enough. Han?
Look, this
No,
sour.
Han.
I have.
She's gonna keep farting. You know how her fart works. Stinks. Hala! We're heading to Costco, and I like that white light. She always have that white light.
Giving up, letting go. Times we might feel compelled. Looking down from the heights that we have built all by ourselves. And there is fear of the unknown, but we cannot lose control. When we feel like the world is against us. Do we go is a question to ask. There are so many choices that it's hard not to look past. What is real and what is fake, and the risk we have to take. Will we know?
Is that safe now having that thing? Okay, ito na siya guys. Paglabas namin, punong-puno. Tignan nyo. Puno siya guys. Kaloka. Okay. Let's get out of here. I hold it. You push it.
It went over the bump.
Mahuhulog na kasi sila guys. Kasi si Tammy, every time we come here, it's crazy.
$700 every time.
Well, because you're harded. Where is the car? I can't find the car. The car.
Pretty blind.
Ito siya guys, kaluka naman tong si Tammy. Okay. Okay, I'm low bat guys. I'm low bit.
My wife's pain in the butt.
Huh?
My wife's pain in the butt.
Well, you
And
can-
she likes to drive no matter what seat she's sitting in. The only person I know has to drive from any seat.
And I'm a really good driver.
Bonk.
I'm a really good driver.
Are you kidding me? I never kill an animal in my life, and I've been driving for 100 years.
Yeah, don't tell me I'm a killer because you know what? That's an accident and that squirrel. Stop it, Tammy. The squirrel is stupid. That's all.
That stupid squirrel.
Okay guys, we are going home. Ang daming madamage. As in damage talaga guys kapag pumunta sa Costco. Bumili pala kami ni Tammy guys. Binilhan niya ako ulit ng hard drive. Ito. Binili namin kasi good price siya at saka 5 terabyte at saka mataas yung ano na. Tignan natin kung tama ba to kasi gusto ni Taming ipa-check. I'm going to end this vlog. Na namin tong vlog guys. Matutulog na kami. Salamat guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys tomorrow. I will see you guys in my next one. Bye. Good night guys. Good night.
Rockabye, baby, rockabye.
Rockabye, rockabye.